My mom's gave me, no, my parents gave me a land here, going there. I'll show you later. Start there also. Let the house go there. It's big. It's like just 1 hectare. More. Yeah, that's my property. From no, from there the houses go here, there, like this. Here, this one, until there. This one, this one, this one, this one. It's more than 1 hectare. It's planted already the coconut and some fruits. I planted some fruits already. Yeah, and have some mountain there also. See, go up.